What happens when we rebuild our world with light? When data races at the speed of photons, and energy efficiency breaks new ground. Imagine the Netherlands illuminated by its own innovation and relying on the brilliance it builds. Under the EU Chips Act, 5 major programs are shaping the future of semiconductors in Europe. Across 11 countries, PIXEurope brings partners together in a strong alliance. The Netherlands plays a key role. In Eindhoven, Europe's ambition finds its largest footprint. Here, on High Tech Campus Eindhoven, together with the Photon Delta ecosystem, TNO and its partners are building the world's first InP Photonic chip pilot line for 6-inch wafers, a bold step towards building high-volume production capacity that will power innovation across the Netherlands and Europe. By moving to bigger wafers, we open the door to a new level of manufacturing, a clear path toward producing 10 million photonic chips each year. Chips that work not with electrons, but with light. These photonic chips will support the key enabling technologies that Europe needs next. This facility is more than a building. It is a commitment. By building on strong photonic platforms and scaling production in phases, we create the conditions for future high-volume factories. A declaration that the Netherlands is ready to build the future on its own technological terms. Today, in the presence of leaders from across Europe, we ignite that future, here in Eindhoven, by building the sovereignty that tomorrow will require. For the Netherlands, for Europe, lighting the future.